Morning children, welcome you all in our math session. Previous session we have learned subtracting 4-digit number from a 4-digit number without regrouping and with regrouping. Okay. Now today we are going to learn use addition to check the difference. Okay. Means what? Here we can always check subtraction by adding the subtrahend to the difference. Okay, the result we get should be the minuend. Okay, minuend. Look here, with example we will see this. Subtract 427 from 632 means what? We have to subtract 427 from this number, means this larger number to smaller number, means we have to write this larger number means minuend. Okay, and this 427 subtrahend, and now you know the difference means the result is difference. Okay, first write here places. Look here, and what we have to do here? We have to do subtraction here. Now 2 minus 7. 7 is larger than 2, so it is not possible to subtract 7 from 2. We have to borrow 1 tens from tens place. 3 tens में से 1 tens ones place पे दिया, then here will remain 2. Okay, and here 1 tens means this 1 tens and these 2 ones means 12 ones. Okay, now 12 ones minus 7. Let's count forward from 7 to 12. 7 से 12 तक काउंटिंग करना है, तो कितने नंबर आते हैं? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Now here tens place 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, and 100 place 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, this is the difference, 205. Now we have to check the answer. So we have to do addition to check the difference. For this difference 205. Okay, this difference and subtrahend, this subtrahend 427. Difference plus subtrahend, we have to do here addition. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. Here we have to do addition of difference and subtrahend. Do here ones place addition, 5 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 7, sorry, 5 plus 7, 5. After 5, 6. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 means 2 here, 1 carry over to tens place, then 1 plus 2, 3, and 2 plus 4, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 632. Now look here, here is a 632 is a minuend, means when we have to check the difference or check the cross check अगर करना है, that time when you do subtraction here and you get difference, then that difference and subtrahend, when you add this difference and subtrahend, that time you will get the minuend. Okay children, अगर डिफरेंस और सबट्राहेंड दोनों ऐड करने के बाद minuend मिलता है 632, मीन्स our answer, this subtraction is correct. Okay, समझ में? Let's see one more example. Okay, look here, 329 minuend, 217 subtrahend, and the result will be the difference. Okay, so 9 minus 7, 7 के बाद 8, 9, 2. then 2 minus 1, 1, and 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, difference is 112. Now we have to see the difference is correct or not. Okay, so we have to write this difference 112 here, then subtrahend 217 here, and we have to do addition of difference and subtrahend. Then we will get 2 plus 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Then tens place 1 plus 1, 2. 100 place 1 plus 2, 3. Now look here children, this minuend is 329, means our subtraction example is correct or the result and difference is correct. जब हमें ये सब्ट्रैक्शन किया हुआ राइट है या नहीं ये देखने के लिए डिफरेंस प्लस सब्ट्रैहेंड करने के बाद व्हेन वी गेट minuend means that minuend and this answer addition will be same, that time our example is correct. Okay children, with the help of this addition checking, use addition to check the difference, you have to solve this question number 7. Find the difference and check your answer. Okay, first you have to do this subtraction, then difference plus subtrahend, then you will get the minuend. Okay, अगर minuend correct आ गया then your example is correct or your solution is correct. Okay, now we will see this second number question. Look here, the sum of two numbers is 7436. If one of them is 4236, find the other number. In this example, two numbers में से two numbers का sum 7436 है, उस sum में से one number 4236 है, तो we have to find out the other number. Okay, let's do here. You have to do these examples in the notebook. Okay children, now we will do this question 2. This is question 2. Okay, we have to subtract smaller number from larger number, and this is 7436 is the sum of two numbers. Okay, this is sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers, and this is one number, and we have to find the other number. ये दो नंबर का सम है, एडिशन है, उसमें से वन नंबर 4236 है, तो अदर नंबर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो लुक हियर, we have to do subtraction of this sum of two numbers and one number. Okay, ones place 6 minus 6, 0. Tens place 3 minus 3, 0. 100 place 4 minus 2, 2. And 1000 place 7 minus 4 means after 4 5 6 7 means 7 minus 4 3 1 2 3. Okay, means 3200 is the other number. Okay children, if you will add these two number means what? Other number means this is a difference. Okay, this is difference and this number is a subtrahend. Okay, now we will check. Difference 3200, subtrahend 4236, and when we do this addition of two numbers, this is one number and this is another number, means when we do this addition 6 plus here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, here 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 3, 3, h 100 plus 2 plus 2, 4, and 1000 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 4 5 6 7. Okay, Now 7436 is the minuend. Okay children, means this is sum of two numbers and these are different. Here is a one number and here is other number. Okay children, like this you have to do the subtraction and then check the answer with difference and subtrahends addition. Okay, let's see another example. Now question 3, write vertically and subtract the following. Here in this question, these examples we have to write vertically and then we have to do the subtraction. Look here. A, 2469 minus 1304. Okay, first we have to write this in vertical position, ones, tens, 100,000. So 2469 minus 1304. Okay, look here. Then ones place, 9 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 5 numbers. Okay. Then tens place, 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1. And 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Like this, you have to complete the question 3. First you have to write this in vertically and then solve it. Okay. Now next children. Now question 4. The sum of two numbers is 8342. If one of them is 5980, find the other number. This 4 example is same like 2 and we have already solved 2. So you have to solve like question number 2. Okay. Now what must be added to 7621 to get 8243? मीन्स यहाँ पे अगर कौन सा नंबर हम अगर 7621 में ऐड करेंगे कि हमें 8043 आंसर मिलेगा. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 7621 from 8243. Okay, let's do this example. Question 5. When we subtract smaller number from larger number, then we will get here difference. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, after 2, 3 and 4, 2. Here 2 minus 6, but it is not possible. Okay, so we have to borrow from 1000 place. When we give 1 200 place, here will remain 7 and here 12. Okay, so 12 minus 6, after 6 we have to count up to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, means what? Here is a question. What must be added to 7621 to get 8242? Means 7621 में कौन सा नंबर ऐड किया तो हमें 8243. And you know children, difference is 620 plus subtrahend is 7621. When we add this, चलो चेक करते हैं कि हमें ये मिनुएंड मिलता है कि नहीं. ओके, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4, 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry over and 1 plus 7 8. Yes, we get the minuend. ओके, मीन्स क्या? 7621 में 622 ऐड किया तो हमें 8243 मिलेगा. ओके, मीन्स what must be added? Means 622 must be added in 7621. Then we get 8243. Okay children, number 6 you have to do like this. Okay, I hope now you know about the vertical subtraction, then difference, use addition to check the difference, and how to do the subtraction to check the answer difference. Okay.